Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Meta glasses to a MacBook. First, connect the Meta glasses to your MacBook via Bluetooth. This method is used for listening to audio using the glasses as headphones and for calls or media playback. Next, turn on the Meta glasses and make sure they are fully charged and Bluetooth is enabled. Then put the glasses into pairing mode by pressing and holding the pairing button until the LED light starts blinking blue. Now, open Bluetooth settings on your MacBook by clicking the Apple menu, opening System Settings, and selecting Bluetooth. After that, find your Meta glasses in the device list and click Connect. Once connected, audio from your MacBook will play through the glasses. Next, transfer photos and videos to your MacBook if you have recorded media using the glasses. Connect the device using a USB-C cable or an official charging case if supported. Then open Finder on your MacBook and your device may be detected automatically. After that, import files using Photos, Image Capture, or Finder. Now, use the MetaView app sync method if needed. Some Meta glasses first sync media through the MetaView app on your phone, and then you can transfer it to your MacBook using AirDrop or manual file transfer. Finally, if your MacBook cannot find the glasses, turn Bluetooth off and on again, restart both the glasses and the MacBook, forget the device and reconnect it, update Mac OS, and keep the glasses close to the MacBook. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.